So last time you guys were out here, we were on the front side of the project. Now we're on the back side. And right now we're working on our final string of the mass earth side. Once we complete this side, we'll move back to the front and start getting the final touches in. Finish grades, adding in all of our ditches for drainages, backfill the foundations. We'll get that set up so then the crane company can come in, the turbine parts can be delivered, and at that point we'll start our erection process. As of right now, we've completed up to 9 or 10 foundation excavations. They've officially poured 3 foundations. Today was the 3rd one. And then the rebar guys will come in, off-hauling the rebar trucks, placed in its proper setting, and be ready to accept concrete. Currently on the project, collection is in the process of doing their trenching. They're on their 3rd run. They're headed back down. They have ran into some struggles with the different types of soil and material. It's either rock, some clay. Most of it's been pretty heavy rock. I decided to flop some things around and take some material in a different direction than what you normally would. This last string really opened me up to having to go backwards and then work my way back out because there was no way to complete it with the material we had. At this point, we've gotten the all clear to start the main laydown yard. That'll be the staging area for all the components. Each critical piece to the tower, it will get staged there. From there, it will get moved on site in separate transport. On the civil side, we are officially on our last string. As you can tell above me in the excavator, that is T20. Once we get done there, we'll have officially 3 pads left to complete on the mass earth side. Once the concrete and rebar and all that is poured, we will come back in, backfill the foundations, and then start with our crane pads. In our industry, not everybody kind of hits the same scopes of work throughout their experiences in life. A lot of our operators haven't been in this scope of work. I would say 75 to 80% of the operators out here have never moved the amount of dirt that we move. And then they come out here and it's a whole new experience. So I try to use teamwork and using their creativity. I rely on them sometimes to give me a little bit of feedback. Hey, what are you seeing? Because what they see in the cab versus what I see in the pickup is 2 different things. So we have to rely on each other. They got to be just as creative as I am to keep the project moving forward. When we started with the demo side of it, we demoed 166 towers. We've adapted with every challenge out here, and we're on that 1-year mark now to where we should be completed, power turned on, and feeding that energy down to the Los Banos side.